Hello, my name is Yvonne and I'm a librarian with LA County Library. I have some exciting news to share. Did you know that our spring and summer discovery program has started? This is our annual celebration of reading, learning, and curiosity for people of all ages, and I would like to invite you, your family, and your friends to sign up for this exciting program. As part of our spring and summer discovery program, we have created a summer discovery take-home activity kit. I will be showing you how to use our silhouette art bookmark kit. At the end of our demonstration, I will provide a link to our online spring and summer discovery program to sign up online, or you can visit your local library to pick up a game card. Today I will show you how to create a silhouette art bookmark, and we'll learn about renowned contemporary artist Kara Walker and apply some of her techniques in our own art making. For this activity, we will need a few materials: black construction paper, white cardstock, scissors, glue, and a pencil. Before we dive into making our cool bookmarks, let's talk a little bit about Kara Walker. Best known for her large-scale black-on-white paper-cut silhouettes, Walker's art explores race and gender stereotypes. In our activity today, we will be using a black silhouette on white background technique to create a really cool bookmark. Let's get started. Cut the white cardstock to bookmark size. Use the pencil to draw the parts of your scene onto the black paper. Cut the shapes out. Arrange and glue the shapes onto your white cardstock bookmark. Trim off any excess from the black construction paper. Enjoy your bookmark. Optional, paint over in Mod Podge to seal over the silhouette cutouts. Interested in learning more about Kara Walker? Check out the database Biography in Context and find out all kinds of information about her and many other famous artists. We hope you enjoyed this Summer Discovery Take-Home Activity Kit. You can sign up for our Summer Discovery program at lacountylibrary.org/spring-summer-discovery. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now!